Do you suffer from upper back tension? I'm Dr. Evan Schwindt. Today we're going to review an exercise to help you with that. Today's exercise is called the Modified Sphinx. This is actually a powerlifting exercise, great for opening up the upper back. For this, I also love this exercise because you do not need any implements at all. We're going to start seated on our heels. That way, it locks at our lower back. This is called a lumbar locked position. That way we don't cheat through that, because again, we're focusing on the mid-upper back, especially that tight spot right between your shoulder blades. So start nice and seated down on the heels. If you have knee discomfort or are unable to do that, it's okay to sit on a pillow, lift yourself up, but we want to be relaxed as best as we can in that position. All right, then we're going to start with our hands to the side of our knees, not in front of us, not behind, just the side, all right? Fingers out as wide as possible, getting a good grip on the ground, because in a moment we're going to be gripping right into that ground, really white knuckling through. Elbows start flared out. That's another important part, because we're about to activate our lats. So if you start off like a lot of people, like this, you're not going to be able to activate your lat muscles at all. All right, so fingers on the ground, spread out, elbows out. Now I'm going to be trying to turn my hands out against the ground as much as possible, bringing my elbows in towards my sides, activating those side lat muscles. Kind of imagine someone's coming through and trying to tickle you in the armpit. Try to close them off from that. That's first engaging your lat muscles. The lats are a mild thoracic extender, so a real nice adjunct to what we're about to do. Once you're set up there, you can get your spine in a nice neutral position, nice and tall, so we're not jutting our chin out or hyperflexing that way either. And we're going to pull our chest through as much as we possibly can. Now, when you first do this exercise, you might feel like you're barely moving at all. That's completely common and normal. What's the movement really broken down like? Well, I said before, it's a powerlifting exercise. Imagine you had a barbell and you're breaking it back. So that's the lats being involved through that. And then if I didn't have any friction on the ground, I'd be pulling my body forward like that. So here's how it looks again. Pulling through as much as I possibly can. Once I'm maxed out, squeezing my shoulder blades together, making sure to not use the upper traps, and do one of these. All right, so that's how it looks. But now let's break it down into a full movement using our breath. We're going to breathe in, try to break the bar. Once we need to breathe out, we're going to breathe out and go into a little bit of spinal flexion. So that way we're going through extension and flexion to get proper movement of your spine. Here's how it looks for real. It's normal to get a bit of a shake at this point as you're trying so hard. Breathing out. Nice stretch on the back. Take a little breath in between and then do one more. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. For starters, I like to recommend doing about 10 reps of that. But if you do that twice a day, over a couple of days here, you're going to start to feel quite a bit of improved movement through your upper back. I hope you enjoyed.